On January 15, 2009, Captain Chester B. Sullenberger was taking off with his flight US Airways 1549 from LaGuardia Airport in New York. However, when he took off, a flock of geese flew into his engines and he lost complete engine power. So, Captain Sullenberger, he was able to land his plane on the Hudson River. Without engine power, he was steering his plane. On the plane there were 155 passengers. But I'm not talking about the 5 crew, but of the 150 passengers, there was not one single passenger who was taping this, and I just cannot believe it that no one was taping this landing. It would have been an amazing video, and this is why I bought this video camera, so I could make a video if our captain needs to land on the Danube River in Belgrade. So I'm having with me Mr. and Mrs. Elmazi from Macedonia, from Struga. And I want to ask you, Mr. Elmazi, how would you like to land on the Danube River?
We was in Norway, and now in this moment we are flying for the Belgrade with Norwegian company. We see here is very comfortable, this airplane, and was satisfaction to fly with this company.
But do you think the captain could land on the Danube?
Can you?
Do you think the captain could land on the Danube River?
No, we don't like to. We like to operate at the
Nikola Tesla Airport, not in the river.
No, in the river.
So this was Mr. Elmazi. He said he preferred to land on the airport and not in Danube River. Well, this is Christian Kaas reporting from Norwegian DY 1976 from Oslo to Belgrade. Thank you.